Investing with conviction in an era of change. In a world defined by constant change, the enduring challenge for investors is not simply to adapt, but to do so with discipline, perspective, and conviction. At Oakmount and Partners, nearly 2 decades of experience have reinforced a simple truth. Lasting success is built quietly, strategically, and with a long-term view. As we look ahead, several structural trends are shaping the investment landscape and warrant thoughtful consideration. Technology continues to redefine industries and reshape capital markets. Advances in artificial intelligence, automation, and distributed systems are no longer theoretical, they are becoming embedded across the global economy. Investors who engage with these developments judiciously rather than reactively will be better positioned to capture durable value. Sustainability has moved decisively from aspiration to expectation. Environmental stewardship, responsible governance, and ethical alignment are increasingly central to investment decision-making. Portfolios that reflect these principles are not only aligned with societal priorities, but are often better equipped to manage long-term risk. Globalization is evolving. While the past was characterized by ever deeper interconnectedness, the coming years are likely to place greater emphasis on regional resilience and localized opportunity. Intelligent geographic diversification, grounded in insight rather than exposure alone, will remain essential. Digital assets are increasingly transitioning from the periphery of markets toward institutional relevance. Assets such as Bitcoin, alongside established blockchain networks including XRP, are driving important conversations around monetary architecture, cross-border settlement, and the future of financial infrastructure. While volatility and regulatory divergence persist, adoption by financial institutions, corporates, and sovereign entities continues to deepen. For forward-looking investors, digital assets represent not a speculative departure from traditional portfolios, but a complementary exposure, one that demands selectivity, robust governance, and a long-term perspective aligned with structural change. Data and analytics sit at the core of an informed investment strategy. The ability to interpret information rigorously and translate insight into action has become a defining advantage in an increasingly complex environment. Finally, the human element remains irreplaceable. Even in an age of advanced technology, sound judgment, trusted relationships, and experienced counsel are central to navigating uncertainty with clarity and purpose. By engaging thoughtfully with these forces, investors can both protect and position their capital for the future. Patience, discipline, and adherence to sound principles remain the foundation of long-term wealth creation. Oakmount and Partners, investing with conviction, building with purpose.